Warning, this is a pest control video. If you don't like seeing pests get shot, don't watch. It's simple. By the way, I'm a mouse, and I fucking hate rats.
Hello guys, got my first permission tonight, first ever permission. Guys got a problem with rats and rabbits. I doubt I'm going to be seeing any rabbits tonight though, it's a bit cold. To be fair, I might not even see any rats, hopefully I do. Come all prepared, all geared up. I got one 14 round magazine now, could be a bit of a problem. I mean, I will hit every shot, no doubt. But hopefully there's not more than 14 targets, otherwise I'm pretty screwed. Alright, I'm gonna get to it, get ready. Course, bang 2-2. Maxi. Shoot some fucking rats. Alright, we're gonna shoot some targets, get warmed up, and we're gonna go shoot some rats.
Yep.
How you feeling?
Good.
Get any kill tonight?
Yeah.
Nice.
He once was an associate of ours. We called him Baba Yaga.
The boogeyman?
Well, John wasn't exactly the boogeyman. He was the one you sent to kill the fucking boogeyman.
Oh.
John is a man of focus.
I mean, I will hit every shot, no doubt.
Okay, I think I see him. Wait for my mark. Target acquired. I have a positive ID on Imran Zakiev. Steady.
Is the rangefinder of the crosshair in the middle, or is it of the little X of the rangefinder?
No, it's wherever this dipping, sorry.
Yeah.
Flashing, that's where it is, ranging. Maxi's first kill, used a 2-2. Obviously it didn't shoot it now, I'm just pinpointing the place he shot it. Good shot. I thought he missed, to be fair. I've been sat there for an hour and a half.
He's on the fence. He's behind the black fence. See, did you see my laser then, yeah? Yeah. There he is. Stay still, stay still. Got him. Hit him in the spine. He's finishing off, where is he? What a shot. You either just hit just above him or you just blew his fucking head clean off.
And would blow your head clean off.
You got another one? Is that a droplet? There. I think it's a droplet.
What? Oh shit, so like better change that.
Is it still alive, was it?
Yeah.
How did you know?
Seen it breathing. It's definitely dead now. It's amazing how he survived that.
Brains around. Careful, Luca.
He's got no brain. Alright, and this is the end of the night, guys. In an attempt to secure us a meal, I used my last 3 pellets here to shoot a rabbit stood up. And there it is, I got him finally. Thanks for watching, guys, please like and subscribe.